Dear students, this is part 4 of this chapter. In this lecture, we will discuss wind energy, solar energy, and hydrogen energy. So, let us start with wind energy. Wind energy is the energy used in windmills that converts the kinetic energy of flowing wind into mechanical or electrical energy. This kinetic energy of wind can be used to do some mechanical work like lifting of water from wells or grinding the grains in flour mills. It can also be used to rotate the turbine that generates electricity. So a windmill, a single windmill produces only a small amount of electricity. So in order to produce a large amount of electricity, we have to install a large number of windmills in a particular area that are coupled together to produce the more electricity. So these large windmills in a particular area are known as wind energy farms. There are various advantages and disadvantages associated with wind energy. The advantages are: it is a renewable resource of energy, it does not cause pollution, and the recurring costs is very less. The disadvantages are: wind is not available at all times, it requires a large area of land, and a minimum speed of 15 kilometers per hour is required to generate the electricity. Now we will see what is solar energy. Solar energy is the energy that is obtained from sun in the form of heat or light. The heat energy is used in solar heating devices like solar cooker, solar water heater or solar furnaces, while as the light energy is used in solar cells. Now, solar cooker. A box type solar cooker has an insulated box that is painted black inside, and it is covered by a glass plate which allows heat to enter inside but does not allow the heat to escape out. It has a mirror that reflects maximum sunlight into the box, and as such, the food that is kept in the containers within the box can be cooked as the temperature inside the box raises up to 100 to 140 degree Celsius, and as such solar cooker can be used to cook the food. Then there is solar water heater. A solar water heater has an insulated box that is painted black inside with a system of copper tubes. It is covered with a glass plate that allows maximum heat to enter inside but does not allow heat to escape out. When the water flows through these copper tubes, they absorb heat and become hot, and as such, the water is warmed by a solar water heater. Now we will see what are solar cells. Solar cell is a device that converts solar energy into electrical energy. These are made up of semiconductors like silicon, germanium or gallium. A single solar cell can produce a voltage of about 0.5 to 1 volts and produces about 0.7 watt electricity. So several solar cells are arranged in a form of solar panel in order to produce more electricity. There are various advantages of using solar cells, that are: first, it uses renewable source of energy, that is sunlight. Second, it produces electricity that does not cause pollution. Third, it can be used in remote areas where there is no power supply. The various disadvantages associated with solar cells are: first, it uses a special grade of silicon that is too much expensive. Second, since silver is used for connecting these cells together, it is more expensive. Third, the current that is produced by solar cells is DC, that is direct current, and in order to convert it into indirect current or alternating current, we have to use inverters or converters that increase its cost. So the solar cells are costly.